Python is a high-level interpreted programming language that has taken the tech world by storm. It's the backbone of web development with frameworks like Django and Flask, making it easy to build robust applications. In data science, Python shines with libraries like NumPy and Pandas, enabling powerful data analysis and visualization. When it comes to artificial intelligence and machine learning, tools like TensorFlow and Keras allow developers to create sophisticated models with ease. Python also excels in automation, streamlining tasks from data entry to system administration. Its simplicity makes it a favorite in education, helping newcomers grasp programming concepts quickly. In scientific computing, libraries like SciPy facilitate complex simulations and research. Game development is another exciting area where Python thrives, thanks to libraries like Pygame. Even in network security, Python is a go-to for testing and vulnerability assessments. While it's easy to learn and incredibly versatile, Python does have its downsides, like slower performance compared to compiled languages and limitations in multi-threading due to the global interpreter lock. Yet, giants like Instagram, YouTube, Google, and NASA rely on Python for its scalability and efficiency. In a nutshell, Python is a powerful language that combines ease of use with a vast array of applications, making it a top choice for developers and researchers alike.